Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw the Italian brain rot capybara. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with this, we're actually going to begin right about here with the ear. So let's begin by making a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then come down for the ear. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to come down, and then we're going to go a little bit more down and in. And that'll kind of shape out the front of the face. I'm going to make this line curve up just a little bit. And then starting here, we're just going to go down and kind of curl this up into a smile. Let's go down, over, and up for the teeth. And then we'll make a little line down. Right here, let's make two little ovals that we color in for the nose. Now starting here right by the teeth, we're just going to make a line that's just going to go down, and we'll start to curve it up. Then we're just going to curve this up and then connect it to here. Right up here, let's make another little bump for the ear. And then let's make a little oval shape inside of here for this ear. Right here, we're going to make a circle for the eye. Then we'll make another small circle, and I'll just kind of color in the rest of this. Now, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of go around and then down for the nose of our little capybara. Then we're going to make a couple little whiskers here, and then a few little whiskers over here. Now, starting here, let's begin by making a line that's just going to curve down. This is going to kind of be like the inside part of the coconut. And we can make a little bit of that curve here too. Next, starting here, we're just going to make a line that's just going to kind of go up. We're going to curve this right around the head of the capybara and then bring it to about here. Now, kind of following that shape, this time we're going to make the big coconut shape. So we're going to bring this line around, and we're going to bring it right to about here. And then we can curve it just a little bit farther. Now, for the first leg, let's begin by making a line that's just going to come down like this, and another one that's going to come down. Then I'm going to make one little curve for a toe, two, and then three and connect it. Then we'll just curve this up to here. Next, I'm going to make another line that's going to go in and down. This time we'll make a little bump, a second, and a third. And we'll kind of connect it to here. And we're just going to go up. Then starting here, we're going to make this line come down like this. We'll go around and in. Little bump, and then a little bump for the foot. And then we'll just bring it up here. Next, I'm just going to make a few different size curve lines on here. And this is just going to add a little bit of detail to the coconut shape on the body. So just some different size little lines in here. And there you go. There is your drawing of the Italian brain rot capybara. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.